But I really love being here. And ngijabule kakhulu because I didn't expect ukuthi kuzoba khona abantu abavele eSouth Africa. Thank you so much. Into engenze ngabona ukuthi kunomZulu ozongisupporta from South Africa la ngaphandle ngibone iToyota Tezz. And leToyota Tezz ifakwe phakathi kweMercedes neBMW. Kodwa yona ibhalwe ukuthi Jabba Mthakathi. Manje ayumZulu wakithi yena. Ayakho umuntu ojabhisa umthakathi ngoThezz.